Hi, I'm Cindy Milligan, and this is my game called Apple Tree Math. The first thing you're going to want to do is divide your kids up into groups. They're going to work as teams to work out math problems. You're going to want to have somebody who's the team captain who can answer the questions. Another kid can be the hand raiser, and another child can come up and pick out the apples, and another child can keep score. However, you can have one person do it all, that's fine, as long as you make it a team effort. I find it easier if the first thing you do before your students come in, write out all of your word problems on the board. Then once you have them broken up into their groups, what you're going to do is on your first question, they already know part of the word problem. Now you need to give them their questions. So like the question to the first one is how much money did Michaela earn? So now they know what they have to answer. What you're going to do is you're going to give them, I would say about, depending on how hard your word problems are, a 2, maybe 3-minute time limit tops. The first person to raise their hand, that's the group that answers first. Okay, and so they answer, they get it right, then you have your apple picker come up and pick an apple. So what that person's going to do, they have the option. They can start with 1 apple. It's got the 4 on it, so they get 4 points. Now, if they want to be risk takers, they can pick, let's take this apple here. Another apple. It's got a 1 on it. So they get a total of 5 points. Now, some of these apples have worms on them. So, if they picked the 4 and then they picked the worm, they would lose all of their points. And you continue this until you are done with all of your word problems, and the team with the final team with the most points is the one that wins the game. Like I said, I like to have each child do a job. So with this game, it's very simple. You can adjust it to do any type of math problem you want. Like another one that I've got is a chessboard has 8 rows and 8 columns. Each row has 4 white squares and 4 black squares. How do you find out how many black squares there are? That could be another one of your questions. To set up the game, it's really, really simple. I just made me an apple tree and a few apples, and I just placed them all over the place. Kids love this game. It keeps them interactive, and that's how you play Apple Tree Math.